Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Myers, and I'm here with my patient Sally, who is having some trouble with her hip. She underwent a left hip replacement in April of 2021, and afterwards she developed some notable pain on the lateral portion of her hip, which has been chronic since that point in time. She has had 2 steroid injections to that area. She has also been through physical therapy for bursitis and tendonitis on the side of her hip, and she has had continued trouble. She got referred to me for Shockwave treatment for her hip, and now after 2 treatments, her pain symptoms are completely resolved. Let's talk to Sally and see how she's doing. All right. So let's go back in time. Before we started treatment a few weeks ago, describe your hip symptoms. What kind of issues were you having with your hip?
I was having extreme pain in the lower buttocks, along the back of my leg, and all the way really down to my ankle, but mainly in those areas. I had a lot of pain where they had done the surgery, but nothing seemed to be resolving itself. That I was having a hard time walking, and I had a hard time sitting down even.
How severe was the pain?
It was enough to wake me up at night. It was enough that it would bring tears to your eyes if you walked very far. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, it was right at a state almost a 9.
So we started Shockwave treatment about 4 weeks ago. We did 2 sessions of Shockwave treatment. How are you doing now? How are your symptoms? How has it helped?
It has helped unbelievably. I was skeptical, as I told Dr. Meyer to start with, but after the first treatment, it was so much relief. And then the second treatment, I have 0 pain now. And I can walk without, I still have a funny gait, but I think that's because of the so long having walked funny. But I can walk now without having any pain. I can sit for periods of time without having pain, and it doesn't wake me up at night.
Fantastic. So before treatment, talking about now compared to before treatment, would you say you're 50% better, 80% better, 100% better? Put a number on it.
I'm 100% better. And I say that, maybe I should qualify it and say I'm 95% better. I don't think you can ever go back to being 100% better, because you can't ever go back to being where you were 50 years ago. But from where I am now, yes, it's 100% better.
Well, thank you so much for coming on camera and discussing your experience.
Thank you.